So, it's another beautiful day, and I've been thinking lately. So, we have been studying a lot of physical things and physics lately, and I kind of realized that we apply all of these lessons quite literally in life. And some of the most complicated things can be made simple by understanding the basics physics behind it. And one of these complicated things that I wanted to study about is the camera. How does a camera really work? So, if we're gonna study how the camera works, I think we should know how it was invented and when was it invented, and how did we become up to the point where we needed a very advanced camera to a very simple one. So maybe we should start from the very start. But I don't know. Maybe I need a historian or something. Where can I find one? Whoa.
Cameras have come more than a long way since the ancient beginnings. In 1080, pinhole camera or camera obscura was invented by Greek and Chinese graphic artists. It projects an inverted image when light passes through a small aperture. In 1826, French inventor Joseph Nice-Forlins burns the first permanent image using heliography or sun drawing. In 1837, Louis Daguerre invents the daguerreotype, which captured the first permanent image. In 1844, the first panoramic camera is created by Friedrich von Martens. In 1861, the first permanent color photograph is taken by James Clerk Maxwell, set the stage for further color innovation. In 1889, George Eastman patents the first Kodak roll film camera. In 1947, Edwin Herbert Ladd invents Polaroid photography, making instant photography possible. In 1975, the first digital camera is invented by Kodak engineer Steven Sasson. In 1992, the first professional digital cameras are made available by Kodak. In 2000, the first camera phone is introduced by Sharp, setting the stage for modern-day citizen photojournalism.
That is really deep. But who are you? Whoa! That was weird. But at least we got to learn about the history of the camera, man. That was very informative. So, as we all know, that was a very deep, very deep historical background. So, the first cameras was basically the sun, using the sun or something. But that was very interesting. To get more in line with the uses of a camera, I have a really good friend here who can show you the obvious uses of a camera. So, without further ado, let's meet our friend.
Okay, so cameras obviously use us to take pictures professionally.
Another one. Another. Okay, that's good.
And professionally. Also, we can take pictures of nature and the life itself. It can be used by young people. Huh? Oh yes, it is. Max Denise. Adults. Beautiful people. Congratulations. And the most beautiful people of all. Okay na.
So we know the different history of the camera. So, how do we know what a camera is? Is there a specific part to a camera that makes it a camera? So, to introduce what the different parts of a camera are, I have a very good friend with me. We have here a camera, but where's my friend?
Hey! So these are the different parts of the camera. First is we have the lens, which is the most vital part of the camera because this is where the light enters and where the photo process begins. Second, we have this shutter release, which is the one pressed when ready to take a photo, and this varies due to the time setting you will use in your control. So speaking of controls, we have this, which is the user control. This would depend on what mode do you want when taking a picture. Do you want it in towards? Yeah. Hi, follow me. That was fun. I will take the flash. You know the flash. So the flash is used for dim light, especially if it's in the dark and you want to have a bright picture. Then we also have the viewfinder, which is where the professional people would look into to see when they're taking a picture. However, there are some people who would like to use the viewfinder or for the live mode in order to see the picture more vividly.
Where did she go this time? Come on, I'm too tired for. Oh!
For the last three parts, we would see inside of the camera. So first is we have the aperture, which you can see this little number. So this would show you the exposure of the light going to the image sensor. The image sensor changes the optical image to your electrical signal to your memory card. And the memory card, as you all know, stores all the image, all your videos for future uses. Bye!
Okay, so to understand how cameras work, I have an interview with a great physicist, a great optometrician, to teach me how the cameras work. So I'm about to enter her office. Okay, so there she is, the master physicist and the greatest optometrician in the Philippines, Dr. Angelica Bade.
For you to record an image on film or on digital camera's memory card, you need three things. First is the object you want to capture. Second is the placement of the object should be far away from the focal length of the lens. And third is you need to have a convex mirror inside your camera. Well, this only applies in single lens reflex cameras. So cameras aren't really that complicated if you want to understand the basic functions of it. So it is really just composed of mirrors and lenses that manipulates the image you want to see through the viewfinder, where you can see the image that is formed.
Well, so that was very informative for the doctor. So really, thank you, Miss Angelica. Okay, so the previous talk with Dr. Angelica was really informative, and basically, cameras work in a way that manipulates light and how it was just projected into a mirror where we can see it in the viewfinder or the camera viewer. So to look at it simply, we have a very simple diagram here. So basically, camera is just a combination of lenses and different mirrors. So light passes through this lens, which this is a biconvex lens, which converges the light into a specific mirror that bounces it off into a pentaprism, where we can perceive it. Now the complicated part comes when developing the image or processing it. This uses a really wide array of photographic film or array photosite sensors, which what they do is they capture the light that passes through the lenses and then basically processes them in the simplest of ways by triggering all the visible light in the spectrum. And there, when it is sent when it is sensed by the photosite sensors, it is processed in the microchip that is found in the camera. Nice learning how cameras work with you, and it's nice that we finally knew how cameras work. But now I gotta go, and I'm running out of time, so goodbye!
Okay.